Hello folks, this is Chino at Neighbor House booth, fireworks booth. Please come and visit us. Yes, there's Tara from Marshall's. Alright, volunteer. There's our banner. So come visit us for a fireworks booth. We're over here on the corner of Central and Philadelphia. You can't miss us because there's the Albertson shopping center there. And then behind the 76 gas station and Carl's Jr. shopping center. We'll take a look inside the booth in a few minutes. These are all the fireworks that we have. So come by our booth, Chino Neighborhood House booth, here on the corner of Central and Philadelphia. You can't miss us. We're right behind Rite Aid and Albertson Shopping Center. You can support us. All the money goes straight to Chino Neighborhood House. We're open every day, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So come get your fireworks. We have lots of specials.